Alright, hey guys, today for this tutorial, I'm going to teach you about Xpresso, which is really, I don't know exactly how to explain it, but it's pretty complicated. So I'm going to teach you the basics of it. First thing that you need to do is grab a null object. In Cinema 4D R12, it's under the primitive tab. Or you can go objects, null, either one works. And then I'm going to name mine user data. Alright. And then after we got our user data here, I'm just going to add a sphere real quick, and I'm going to put it under the user data. Like that. Then, alright, now what we're going to do is click on your null object, come under the attributes channel, and go user data, and go manage user data. Okay, good. Alright, and it's going to open up a screen like this for you. Click add data, and it's going to give you a thing that's called data. You can change the name of it to X position. Position X or X position, anything you want. Data type, we're gonna change it to let's see. I think we're probably just gonna keep it the same. For units, you can go meter, I guess. You can change it to meters, whatever you want. Alright, and now that we're done with this, you can close that, and then on your null object, right click Cinema 4D tags Xpresso, and it's going to open up a screen like this for you. Just shrink this down. It's going to open up this like graphic sheet here, and what you're going to do is you want to click and drag your user data onto it, and then you want to click and drag your sphere onto it, and it's going to put both of them right in there. And then yeah, and on your user data there's a blue square and then there's a red square. Click on the red square, go basic, go coordinates, I think it might be global positioning or position. We'll try just position, and then go position X. And it's going to put a thing called position X in here for you. If you go under sphere, wait a minute, that's wrong. If you right click on it and go delete port, what we're going to have to do for the user data is you have to click on it, and then there should be, unless I'm just going crazy, there should be a thing down there that's called position X or X position. I'm confused now. Oh, I know why. After you add your position X, you can't just click out of here. You have to click OK, and then it adds the position X for you. But so if anybody didn't click OK, we're gonna have to redo this again, change that to meters, and oh, that's degrees, meter, and then click OK. And now when we come into our user data, click the red thing, there's a little tab on the very bottom called position X, and that's what we want to put in. And then click on the blue square of our sphere, go coordinates, position, position X. And now what we're going to want to do is we want to hook these up. So click and drag from the red square to the blue square, and a line will come. And now if we test out it, if we test it out, if we crank our position X up, our sphere starts moving around. But you notice how we can't go negative on the scale. To fix this, go to Manage User Data, click on your position X, and for the minimum, change it to -1000, and then hit OK. And there, now you can move your sphere all the way up and down your x-axis to a maximum of whatever you put on your managing your user data. Alright, now you're saying but if you wanted to go up and down, or Z or Y, it's the same thing. So go Manage User Data, click New Data, name it Position Z, and then add again, name it Position Y, and then change both of those in unit from percent to meter, percent to meter. And then after you're done with that, hit OK. Open back up your Xpresso editor, and if you guys close this, just double click on your Xpresso tab and it'll open it for you. And then once you're in here, click on the red square, grab position Y, and grab position Z. So we got X, Y, and Z in here. And then do the same thing in the other one. Click on the blue square, go coordinates, position, grab position Y, then grab position Z, and link all the lines together. And now we got all of them connected. So now if we close it, if we click on our user data, we can see here, we can move it side to side, we can move it back and forth, we can move it up, well, only up right now because we haven't changed the minimum distance on our Xpresso thing right here. And now if we click OK, see, I just added -1000 for the minuses so that they can go up and down. And this is basically the simple thing that I taught you, and you can after teaching you this, you can change the color of your object. You guys can easily know how to change the color. You can do rotation. You can do global rotation, which is like around the center, not around, just like its own axis. So it would circle like around something if you want. You can, I don't know, there's so much stuff that you can do with Xpresso. You can loop stuff, you can change its display color, you can make it bigger, you can let's see, I don't know, you can do so much stuff with this, and it's useful. It's instead of clicking, I don't know, let's say you can just click on your user data and you can move everything right here. But if you have a whole bunch of different objects in your user data and you're getting like they're all just named user data, you can go in under manage, and if you click on your user data default, if you go add group and then you name this sphere 1, oh sorry, I didn't mean to hit enter. Yeah, if you had that sphere 1, you can put all your positions under sphere 1, just like you would do in Cinema 4D by clicking and dragging. And when you hit OK, under your user data, it's going to say sphere 1, and then it's going to have all your parameters here. So yeah, that's just a little tutorial teaching you the basics of Xpresso. So I hope you guys liked that. If you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subbed to me and you like my videos, subscribe. I'm at 80 subs right now, so in 20 subs, you guys will get the intro template. And comment if you have any suggestions. So I guess I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Peace out.